Long press the power button on the remote control. Press the bait boat's power button. Wait for the remote to connect to the bait boat and the satellite count to stabilize. Short press the power button to turn the boat light on or off. Double-click the power button to enter the menu. Calibrate joystick. Adjust the bait boat's speed. Set the device ID to match the ID shown on the bait boat to establish a proper connection. The custom button can be set to functions such as mark point, speed mode, electronic anchor, or cruise control. Set the number of point or delete points. Turn the electronic anchor on or off. You can choose to enable or disable the function where pushing the joystick forward for 3 seconds will automatically activate cruise control. Short press the joystick. Press the enter button. Home point set successfully. Press and hold both the waypoint button and the action button simultaneously. Short press the waypoint button to switch between waypoints. Press the enter button to confirm. Pass point set successfully. Short press the waypoint button to select point. Short press the action button. Mission start. If the electronic anchor is enabled in the settings, the bait boat will automatically activate the electronic anchor and hold position upon reaching the point. Short press the release button to open the hopper and drop the bait. Double press the release button to release the hook. Press and hold the release button to open the hopper and release the hook at the same time. Push down the remote control joystick. The bait boat will automatically return to home point. You can set the function and click option of the custom button. For example, you can set the single click option to mark point, press the enter button, or push the joystick to the right to confirm. A single click of the custom button will activate the assigned function.